Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the controller and choosing the simplest connection path, wired or initial wireless pairing. Insert batteries or charge the internal pack, then connect a USB-C cable to the Xbox One S. Once the Xbox button lights, press and hold the small sync button on the controller to begin pairing. This forces the controller to advertise itself. Once done, make sure the console is awake and proceed to the next step to finalize wireless registration. You now complete the pairing sequence depending on your platform. For console pairing, press the Xbox One S sync button, then immediately press the controller's sync button. The lights will flash and then stay solid when paired. If using Bluetooth on PC or mobile, open Bluetooth settings, choose Add Device, then select the controller when it appears. If you have the Xbox wireless adapter or Windows, install drivers and update firmware via the Xbox Accessories app to ensure low latency performance and full button mapping. You finish by validating the connection and applying any necessary updates. Launch a game or the controller test in settings to confirm sticks, triggers, bumpers, and vibration respond correctly. Next, open the Xbox Accessories app on console or Windows to download firmware updates that fix latency and compatibility issues. If things go wrong, try the quick troubleshooting step. Power cycle the console and controller, reseat batteries or cable, and if needed, reset pairing by holding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.